Zorluoglu, who joins us now from Ankara. Mr. Mayor, good to have you on the show. For a second straight day now, Turkey is seeing more than 150 deaths a day. The number of new daily cases has nearly tripled in the past month. Like many countries around the world, Turkey too is going through a second wave. How are you dealing with this?
Well, first of all, I am very pleased to greet you from Trabzon and our followers as well. Yes, as you said, unfortunately, just like the other parts of the country, the number of confirmed cases in Trabzon has been also increasing for the last few weeks. Actually, as metropolitan municipalities, from the beginning of the outbreak, we are working very close with our community to fight against coronavirus. And I am very proud to see that most of the people in Trabzon is well aware of the fact that this is a problem that needs a collective effort to be solved. We, at the municipal level, we are in close cooperation with our governorship, provincial health directorate, and other institutions. We have been taking measures, implementing them, and performing necessary inspections to combat against the virus. If you so wish, I can give you a very brief information about what we have done so far in Trabzon. First,
okay,
in order to
we have a limited amount of time, so go ahead, Mr. Mayor.
Sure. First, in order to raise the awareness of public against COVID-19, we have been working hard from the early days of the pandemic. With this regard, we carried out informative and cautionary activities on various platforms. Second, spaces that would cause the virus to spread more easily, such as streets, squares, public buildings, hospitals, and transportation vehicles, are being disinfected regularly, and this is a non-stop work for us. And of course, economic measures we have been implemented so far, and we supported local businesses and low-income families. Further, we identified around 20,000 families that were significantly affected by COVID-19, both financially and socially. So we delivered support and cash aid to these households to sustain them during these extremely difficult times. But we have a very, let's say, new measure to increase the awareness of the people in Trabzon. We introduced an innovative application that was launched recently. In order to raise the awareness for the public and to emphasize the importance of the rules, we ordered interactive screens to be fitted into our bus stops. These screens in bus stops will warn the passengers without a face covering by showing their heads in the form of a virus in an animation. We think that is a cautionary and great way for users of public transport to be reminded to wear their masks.
I was just going to say that those interactive screens was certainly an interesting measure to sort of promote mask wearing in the city of Trabzon. All right, Mr. Mayor, unfortunately we're out of time. We're going to have to leave it there. Thank you very much for joining us here on TRT World.